had a good childhood. I had a good childhood because I didn't know white people. I went to an all-black elementary school, which is basically a children's Wakanda. Except instead of standardized test scores, we had, like, consistently low standardized test scores. But I loved it. And then my parents sent me to a white middle school where I had to learn all the words to Don't Stop Believing. So now I'm really good at that song. I live with 3 boys. It's sort of like a diverse, fucked up reboot of the show New Girl. I'm so young, but it's kind of just like aged me into an old black grandma. Like they'll be like, Aaliyah, you gotta come downstairs and watch Family Guy with us. And I'll just be thinking, that ain't nothing but the devil. Like, they'll be like, Aaliyah, you gotta come out with us tonight to Club Zebulon. And I'll just be thinking, there ain't nothing open after 2 a.m. but legs. Like, they're calling me Alia, but it's not Alia anymore. It's Mrs. Atkins. To them, I am a married woman. They must respect me. I love personality tests and BuzzFeed quizzes. I think that every man should know which Sex and the City character he is based on which wedding dress he would pick. I think you don't know yourself if you don't know that. I was taking this personality quiz a couple months ago, and it was an alpha male quiz because I wanted to know what kind of guy I'd be if I was a guy. And I assumed that I'd be an alpha male. I'm a natural leader. I run 3 very successful hotels. On my iPhone game, My Hotel. But I took the test, and I got Delta Man, which is stupid. But it's basically like a guy who's like kind of more soft-spoken, and in a group project when everyone else doesn't want to do the work anymore, this is a guy that'll step up and finish the whole project. So, a woman. Like I took a test to figure out what kind of guy I'd be, and it said that I was a woman to every man in my life. A couple years ago, I was diagnosed with a lifelong chronic illness. Is that funny? I'm kidding. I'm sorry. It's not nice of me. I was diagnosed with a lifelong chronic illness, and it's called hidradenitis suppurativa, which is also the name of the weed I smoke. But it's a real disease. And basically what happens is my immune system flares up, and then my left labia lip gets infected. Yeah, sorry, labia means vagina to all the guys in here that we lost. And I was really bad at managing this disease. So I had a flare-up happen about 18 times in 2 years. This piece of my labia lip got infected. And I know everyone told me, God gives his toughest battles to his toughest soldiers. But I thought women weren't in the draft. And it was horrible. And so I finally had to get this piece of my labia lip removed, and they didn't let me keep it, which is very unfeminist. So now I have one really thick pussy lip, and the other one is really thin. So it's like I'm half Caucasian down there. And I have a biracial pussy. Thank you.